to commemorate the day of Ashura and offer our condolences to Imam Hussain and his family and the Ahlul Bayt, to pay our respects to the sacrifices they made for all of mankind, and to show our allegiance to him. Well, you don't actually feel any sort of pain or any. Your emotions take over really, and it's more of a personal thing where you're at that point in time it's almost like an ibadat for you, and you're hoping that it's accepted in the Prophet and his Ahlul Bayt accept our condolences, and that's the main feeling you get. You're just hoping it's accepted. Inshallah, as long as I live, I hope to. So as long as I can physically do it, yes. There is no doubt in my mind we will continue doing it.